Hey, it's Kevin from the Christopher's Moto channel. Let's talk motovlogging setups. This is mine. I have an Apex M80. This little camera comes with the waterproof case, microphone, 2 batteries, remote control, and a couple of the, adapters here, mounts. Not enough to mount it on the side of your helmet. If you want to stick it on top, you're probably okay, but there's not enough to mount it on the side here. Anyhow, this thing comes with the mic, like I said. I just drilled a hole in the side of this waterproof case. And then you can plug the microphone right into the helmet. Records the audio right with the video. No post-production mixing, it's all on there. And with the dead cat on the microphone, it actually does a good job recording the audio. I'm quite pleased with the audio. Many of you are wondering if this thing's the new GoPro killer. Probably not. It's not going to take GoPro down. But that's fine. I'm not here to take GoPro down. I don't have a problem with GoPro. The only problem I have is I can't afford a GoPro. And that's what this does well, is that this is easier in your pocketbook. I bought this camera off Amazon. They're selling right now for, I looked it up this morning, for $80. I do have a link in my description, and just, for total transparency, it is an affiliate link. So if you purchase it through that link, I do get a little commission off of it. And if you guys happen to buy anything else there through that link, like once you're in there, apparently I get a commission off that too, and I would really appreciate the support. That would be wonderful. It does not cost you any extra to support somebody with an affiliate link. The price is the price. They're just giving us a little commission for sending you their way. So that's my motovlogging setup. I'm going to do a little ride, and I'll show you guys what the quality is, and we'll talk about that. Alright, so I'm out on the bike just to show you guys what this camera and mic sounds like. Again, this is the Apex M80 with the mic that comes with it installed in my helmet. I do have the dead cat on it for noise suppression, but that's it, pretty much out of the box. Look at the snow. Isn't this wild? April 29th. I'm out here riding the bike this evening. It's 6:23 now, and I was plowing snow this morning at work. I'll drop a picture in here so you guys can see it. Anyhow, if you watch this far, I really appreciate you sticking around, and please go subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, get any questions. I love to answer them, and anyhow, thanks for watching. Have a great day.